Hi, I'm working on this Lineartech ax-4400. That's a very beautiful and nice vintage integrated amplifier. And this is not very known integrated amplifier. It's kind of underrated, but it's pretty nice amplifier. It's well built. Like you see, as four nice discrete output class AB transistor. It's not that doesn't use those cheap packs chips, and this is totally discrete. That's AB class push pull, and of course I cleaned everything, and I had to recap it, replace all the electrolytic capacitors. The only one I don't have it so far. I ordered for it. Is these two big ones. I need a brand new one with a higher capacitance, and it's going to be better, less noise, and it works. It works very well. Inside, I cleaned it up. It's very nice. There's no rust or anything, and all switches, everything I cleaned. And it took me a long time to recap it. You know, there's a lot of capacitors need to be changed, and has this beautiful classic analog view meters, and I love that. And sounds pretty good. My next video, I will show you. I will demonstrate the sound of it. But for now, it is done. Most of the restoration part. So just I need a couple of capacitors, then it's complete. It's done. But it still works very good and sounds very good. Beautiful amp. Very nice. I work for hours with this one. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.